Hi friend, David here from Learn Christmas Lighting, and today I want to talk about a very timely manner, and that is planning next year's Christmas light display. Now, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Learn Christmas Lighting here on YouTube so that you don't miss anything. But we are at mid-December, so at this point, here's what's going on. We're about a week until Christmas, actually exactly. And so, at this point, if you're going to have a Christmas display up, it's up and it's running. Or if you just got some static lights or some other kind of system up, it's up. Okay? And so, now is the best time to plan what you're going to do next year. Yes, that's right, next year. You might be thinking, David, it isn't even this Christmas. Why am I thinking about next Christmas? And here's the simple truth. There's no better time to see where you could possibly add to your display or where you've got gaps or where it would make sense to add to things than right now. Because right now, you can go outside, look at your display, take lots of pictures, and start to really sketch out, talk with your family or whoever else you plan your display with, and really take a good look and say, okay, if budget was unlimited, where would I add new items, new props, new elements? What would I replace? What would I get rid of in my display? And now is the time to do that because your stuff's still up. Not only that, but if you wait till January when you're tearing your stuff down, you might get all grumpy and be like, oh man, this is so much work, I'm not going to add to this. And that's no fun. So my challenge to you here, I know it's mid-December, hopefully everything's running really smoothly for you, because at this point your display's up, your sequences are working, you're maybe running around on occasion to fix some things, but other than that, you're chilling, sitting back, enjoying the season. So my challenge to you is take a look at your display and decide if you're going to add anything to it next year. You don't have to. That's the best part about this hobby as well. It's a lot of fun. Many people add things to their display every year. Sometimes it makes sense not to. For example, I'm going to try my hardest not to add anything myself next year because we're having a new kid, right? And I want to focus on the baby, and I'm just not going to have that much time. So if you've enjoyed this, be sure to like this video and subscribe here on Learn Christmas Lighting, because next year, 2020, is going to be a really big year for Learn Christmas Lighting. We've gained steam through this season, and now next year, I'm really going to start diving deep, launching more tutorials that make sense in order, and bring you guys a course that helps people really understand and start from scratch with this whole Christmas lighting thing. Get off the ground with a frustration-free display, or at least as close as we can get. So be sure to like this video, and I will see you guys in our next video. Thanks.